Welcome back. This is Hunter again. Last week I ended it on the Panama Canal, and from there we are going to head a little bit more up the country to go visit the Buenaventura Beach Resort. The Buenaventura Beach Resort is the perfect place to get away. Located right on the beach, and it's got at least a dozen pools. I took a nice little stroll around the property to see how it looked before we took a nice tour of the Nicklaus 18-hole golf course. A Panama hat in Panama. Ha! Get it? I will never turn down an opportunity to drive a golf cart. I mean, would you? Now, when I think of the Pacific Ocean, I think of it like it is in Southern California. Cold, big, wavy. That's exactly not the case here. The water was 75 degrees, calm, and beautiful. For dinner, we went over to the Tai Kai Sushi and Martini Bar, where they served authentic teppanyaki food along with fresh caught fish and authentic Japanese dishes. One of these travelers got to take their hand at the teppanyaki experience and see if they had what it takes.
One, two, three. Woohoo!
Oh! The next day, I got to enjoy some of the pools in this beautiful Pacific Ocean, but I still had that crocodile on my mind. I borrowed one of the free bicycle rentals from the resort and took off into the wilderness. Okay, maybe wilderness was a little far-fetched of a word. More like golf course neighborhood path. Either way, the ride went from smooth to rough to rougher. I searched far and wide for those crocodiles, but couldn't see anything. Until I came across this small pond. Okay, he's a little guy, but I finally found a crocodile. Little guy. See him? Right there. My mission was complete. I had spotted a crocodile. Even though he was a lot smaller than I expected him to be, I spotted one. So, in celebration, we had some fireworks. Just kidding, the fireworks were for a wedding, but I considered them for myself. Until next time, thanks for watching.